Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add images as hyperlinks in emails. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button. That motivates me to make such videos. So let's get started. Let me quickly open the Outlook here and click on new email. So my intention is to insert an image as a hyperlink. So let me go to the insert option here and I will click on the pictures first because I want to insert an image as an hyperlink. So I need to have an image first. So what I would do is I would just quickly insert an image from my device. I would take this one and say insert. Now I have an image ready. So to convert it to an hyperlink, all I have to do is right click on this image and click on this option called link. So now you will get this option and here you see the option to enter the address. Here you can type in the link, hyperlink, whatever you want to insert. So what I would do is I would just randomly paste this link. That means whenever I click on this image, it will open the YouTube landing page. So let me demonstrate that first. If you see, after inserting the hyperlink, you just have to say OK. So now your image has been converted as an hyperlink. I will quickly send this mail to myself just for the demonstration purpose and say I will send it anyway. So now let this email be sent. I got this email now. So whenever a receiver receives the mail, it would look something like this. And whenever you hover your pointer on the image, it will be an hyperlink. So if you click on that image, it will take you to the link, whatever that you have linked. In my case, it is YouTube landing page and it takes me here. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's it for the video. Have a nice day.